Going up. Going
All right,
up.
these are giant buttons.
Going up. Floor 1.
Show the giant button.
Going.
I mean, we always give it space.
You have to make these. Because you know when you're riding a chair, you might see some small chair props. You just put the small
Okay, so I'll take it, scooter.
Oh, wait.
Come on.
Wait.
Why?
We'll do about buying us something.
Take all of them if you have to start.
I'm balancing. What am I? Hey, can we just go to the street stepper?
Two. When you're going to first, yeah, roof garden. Yeah, that's
What? Daddy, where are we going?
the roof garden.
To the roof garden to do what?
Let's see the roof garden.
Alright.
The coolest place.
Can I show my dad to other people? Like, between the top
You
all
can
of
take it to
he has
the
his own YouTube channel.
Dockland. You know where we got it from? Where was it?
Which one? I've got it from.
Museum of Dockland.
This one going down, right? This one is straight. You can remove this. You have to come so often because every time I get lost.
Yeah, this place is quite big.
Last time when I came here, I lost the place. Took me about 2 hours or something. But this time I got in a cross where I come out. It's easier.
When was the last time you went back to Malaysia?
Last year. I'm going back
What is
again
this?
every year.
What, -1?
But pre-COVID, because of the thing, every time I go home once a year.
Mm.
Pre-COVID, didn't go back for 4 years. Then I went back last year, first time. Then I got a friend in Penang. She worked as an accountant. I met her in studying Chinese.